Well, we all know that in injection molding, every second counts, but unexpected breakdowns increase cycle times and hurt your profits. And that gives rise to unplanned downtime, which almost eats up to 15 to 20% of your annual production hours. Also, manual maintenance schedules and reactive repairs stretch downtime further, and each lost hour costs you lakhs and in turn damages your customers' trust. And that equals to average cost of downtime to 2 to 3 lakhs per hour. But with predictive maintenance powered by Odoo ERP, you can monitor machine health in real time. Smart alerts warn you of part wear or energy spikes before breakdown happens. So this allows you to have proactive repairs that reduce downtime by almost 40%. Well, Odoo links monitoring, maintenance, spare parts and scheduling into one workflow. Repairs are planned, production flows smoothly. So your cycle times are optimized and your throughput goes up to 20%. So if you're looking to reduce stoppages and have faster cycles, that means you want to have higher productivity and higher profits. So making use of the Odoo ERP allows you to have lower downtime up to 40%, higher output up to 20%, and you can gain extra annual revenue, and that to 1 to 1.5 crores. So you just need to keep your molding machines running and your profits growing using Odoo ERP. To know more, just drop us a line at sales@apaton.com.